Hey guys, how are you doing? This is John from JC Chinese, and in this video, we're going to learn a new country's name in Chinese, Myanmar, Miandian. Miandian. Now please follow me, let's write those two Chinese characters together.
So the first character of Miandian is Mian. Now let's write this character together. The first stroke is a downward left stroke and a horizontal turn to the right, and a downward left stroke and an upward turn to the right, and an upward stroke. This part has in total 3 strokes, and then a horizontal stroke, a very small downward left stroke, a vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn and a hook, and a vertical stroke, another vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke, and one last horizontal stroke. So there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strokes. And its P is Mo Yan Mian. The initial is Mo, and the final is Yi An, and it is falling rising tone, Mian. Now I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. Mian. Mian. The second character of Miandian is Dian. I'm going to write it here. The first stroke, a very small downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn and a hook. Next, a vertical stroke and another horizontal stroke with a vertical turn and a hook, and a horizontal stroke, vertical stroke, and one last horizontal stroke. Dian. And there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strokes. Did you count it right? And its P is the Yan Dian. Its initial is the, and its final is Yi An, and it's a falling tone, the Yan Dian. Now those two characters. Now I'm going to write this character again. Dian. I'm going to write it slowly so you can see the stroke order. Dian. Now these two characters, Miandian, means Myanmar. Myanmar. Now I'm going to put this vocabulary into a sentence. 我来自缅甸。 I come from Myanmar. 我来自缅甸。我来自缅甸。Alright, guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。